Okay. They're opening up the little bridge, little portable bridge. Victor, say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to Florida. There's a boats I've never seen before. Predator. Little tender to ocean view. All kinds of wild stuff. Frosher. Wild looking thing. Couple big tenders. There's a Sax. There's a Tempest 40. All kinds of neat stuff. It's an Azimut. Azimut 43. What the heck is that? That's the Seville. It's a Sax. Wild looking thing. Pershing 5X. Looks like a new style boat. All kinds of action, boys and girls. There they go out to the sea.
You see that yacht they're filling?
Which one? Oh, the big one out there. Oh yeah, monster. Another Azimut. Another funky looking boat. TC Yachts. Never heard of it. Another Azimut. What's that say? 80? 80 Azimut. Evo Yachts.
You never see something like that.
Only when the boat show's over.
Pretty cool stuff, huh? Look at this. Quite an armada of boats, huh? God, there's a Riva. High-end Italian-built boats, of course. Been around forever. Don't get too close there, Captain. Ferretti. Like another Ferretti. Yeah, get those fenders up. Looks like hell, guys. Never run a boat with the fenders down when you're up on plane. Looks like hell. It's a good sign of a rookie boaters run with their fenders down. Right, guys? Another Pershing, fancy schmancy. Ferretti, Lomac, funky looking boat. Wow. Action galore. Another Pershing. Man, we got some action. Lots of boats.
Well, yeah, no. Actually, kind of enjoy what's going on and take the time to.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, but you know, you don't have that. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. I really like the Persing. The line is so stiff. Yeah. Well, I think they're mainly that color, right?
Yeah, that's black.
Look at that Riva. They call it an 88 Florida.
Yeah.
Beautiful sucker, isn't it? Wow.
I saw those Rivas though with the bimini top, and it's so fun. Like, you see those bimini top, they're not really nice.
It's another Azimuth 66.
The boat is super nice, but then you look at the bimini
The
top,
Monte Carlo coming.
they just throw that up there. Yeah.
Oh, look at, here's an electric boat coming.
Yeah, you like it? I like that little the kitchen. Yeah. It's really cool. Yeah.
A lot of action, boys and girls. Well, we were just talking about it. You know, Lauderdale, of course, boats are packed in like sardines, and impossible to have water tests. This boat show, a little bit different. A lot of these boats are able to leave their moorings and go for a little water test. Hey, anything to help a sail. Hopefully these people are qualified boat riders, prospects. A lot of Pershings going out.
Yeah. Huge Pershing.
Well, you know, Pershings are all surface drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the propellers are right at the surface. They throw up a rooster tail like you would not believe. Look at that.
Across, yeah.
You can see that. Another Azimuth 50. Looks like a new model.
See that like that? I think you're gonna roast Florida.
Ugh. Yeah.
It's a solid bulkhead with a door.
Look at that door. It's
No
on
windows.
an angle.
Look at the window. I mean, it's the guy'd have to bend over to get his head out.
Yeah. Nice looking boat,
Yeah.
but impractical. Another Azimuth. Azimuth. Man, a lot of boats going out.
That's what is that? Never heard of it. Hero Central.
Never heard of it. Unusual style, huh? Hammer Cinto. Probably some Italian builder. Oh man, look at all the boats coming out.
Looking going for a ride soon.
Well, a couple more coming, but I think I'm gonna shut her down for right now.